Hi, I'm Ali from the Duck Patch. As a family, we are hugely passionate about looking after our planet, and I'm always making changes to our life to be as sustainable as possible. Now, I've made loads of changes at home, but for me, I want to try and make as many changes to our gardening life this year and help look after the planet. So one thing I'm doing is to try and go peat-free. Now, I am definitely not an expert, but I have done some research, and there are a few reasons why peat is so important. Peat acts as a massive carbon store, so whenever we're digging it up, we're releasing a huge amount of carbon back into the atmosphere, and we all know that's not good. Another thing that it is hugely important to our British wildlife, and we need to try and protect as many species as possible. And lastly, it is really important for water management, so it plays a massive contributor to all that flooding. So it's really easy to go peat-free. All you have to do is check your compost bags and try to be as gardening eco-friendly as possible.